In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change highlight color in Adobe Acrobat. If you regularly review PDFs, changing your highlight color can make your notes easier to organize and much easier to read. It's especially useful if you want different colors for different types of information like key points, edits, or reminders. The good news is that Adobe Acrobat makes this very simple once you know where to look. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. This is important because the highlighting tools and color options appear in the context of the document you're actively editing or reviewing. So before doing anything else, just confirm that the correct file is visible and ready. Next, look over to the left-hand column and click on the highlighter tool. This will switch you into highlighting mode. If you've used Acrobat before, you may already recognize this tool, but if not, it's the one designed specifically for marking text in your document. Once you select it, Acrobat will prepare the tool so you can customize how your highlights will look. After that, click on the color palette that appears while you're using the highlighter option. This palette is where Acrobat lets you choose the appearance of your highlight. If you don't see it right away, make sure the highlighter is still selected because the color choices are tied directly to that tool. Now choose a new color from the palette. This is the step where you actually change the highlight color. Pick whichever shade works best for your document and your workflow. For example, brighter colors can make important information stand out, while softer tones can be helpful if you want the page to stay clean and less visually busy. The moment you click the new color, Acrobat updates the highlighter setting for you. Finally, click on some text in the document and drag across it to highlight it. You'll see that the text is now highlighted in the new color you selected. This is the easiest way to confirm that the change worked correctly. If the result looks right, you're all set and can continue marking up the rest of your PDF using that color. And that's how to change the highlight color in Adobe Acrobat. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you review and organize information inside your PDFs.